Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Robustrue 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench. So here's everything that comes in the box. I love that the case you can store everything in. We get 2 of these batteries. We get a battery charger. You're simply going to slide the battery on here, charge it. Now that light will be red when it's charging. When it's fully charged, the green light will come on. Press the release button to release it. Now the batteries do have a status, so you can check the status of the charge by pressing that little button. Here's the actual impact wrench. We got forward and reverse, and we've got this mode switch down here. Now that mode switch is going to depend on where you have this switch. So that's the reverse, there's the forward. So when I got it in reverse, you've got 2 modes of operation. Again, this is reverse, like you're taking a nut off. You've got auto stop or not auto stop. So you can see there's the auto stop is on, that green light right there. So now when I pull the trigger and it has no tension on it, it stops. See, I'm still pulling the trigger, but it stopped because the nut is all the way off, it's assuming. Now if I press that again, that green light's gonna go out, and now I'll have, as long as I'm holding the trigger, that will go in reverse. Now when I pulled it, when I push this lever, now we're going forward like we're tightening. And I've got 3 modes of operation for tightening. I've got a low, see if I can zoom in here. I've got a low, medium, and high. So let's start off on low. There's low, press it again, medium, press it again, there's high. Now here's the specs on all of those speeds, low, medium, and high. RPMs and impacts per minute. Okay, so let's put, it does come with some of these impact sockets. This is a 17 millimeter. So this is like a little rubber washer or O-ring. You're gonna move it and there's a pin. So now I can put it on. It can be a little hard to put it on, but if I need to, I can put this safety pin in. Now that the holes are lined up, I could put this in so the socket won't come off, rotate that little washer down, and now my socket is on there and not gonna come off. When I wanna take it off, take the pin off, and then disconnect it there. And again, here's kind of the bigger one here. I gotta take the, see the pin is in there, so I gotta take the pin out. It does come with this adapter, so we could put this adapter on. This is like for apex bits, quarter-inch apex bits you can put in there. We got all different sizes. We even got some drill bits that it comes with. And again, everything fits in this case. We got the batteries. Here's the battery charger. So I got the battery charger, the batteries. I could put some more of the tools, everything right here. And again, close the lid. Got these little latches. Then I can grab it by the handle and take it with me. Yeah, that's really nice. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.